Okay, so what we'll do from tomorrow, once you log in the class, you will log in using those names that we are given to InfoCampus. Okay, today anyhow it's allowed, but from tomorrow unknown name I will not allow to log in. Those names that is available in the list, they only can log in. One name is called Shravani, that name is not there. Shravani name is not there. Another one.
Today is my first class, so she told today attend for the day.
Okay, that's what I saw. Name is not there in my list. Okay, no problem. You can attend. So normally once you log in the Zoom, it will ask your name, correct? It will ask the name, no? So we should give those names that you have communicated or given to InfoCampus, because unusual people, why they will log in? Unusual people, they should not log in. Right? Anyhow, login is under my control only. From here they can remove or they can be there, but unknown people should not log in. They are given me one list also. Those are supposed to log in. So today let's attend, but from tomorrow unknown people, with the name we have given to InfoCampus, that name only should come under the Zoom chat. While login, it will ask the name, enter your valid name and then login. Okay, so let's go. Table 4 we are going to see. Inside the table 4, we will be understanding T head meaning is what, T body meaning is what, and T foot where it will appear. TR you have seen, TH you have seen, and TD you have seen. Okay. While writing the T head, we have to use the TH tag. While writing the T body, we have to use the TD tag, table data. While writing the T foot, the bottom section of footer, we have to use the again TH. So T head, it says like it is the upper portion of table. T foot is bottom portion of table, and the T body the middle portion of table. Okay. User will search under the header and data will come from the body. Okay, footer will be in the last. After footer, pagination will come automatically. 1 2 3 4 5 sorting, searching will get applied. Okay, those are the feature of data table. In the future we are going to study through the jQuery. But T head, T body, T foot, how and where it appear, we'll create an example and see. Table 4 file, body you can start, body you can close. Next, after that, H1 you can write, align we can keep as a center. There you can write table, T head, T body, T foot. Table, T head, T body, T foot. Open the table, close the table. Caption will not come under this structure. Table, all property will work. Align, center, left, right, top, bottom, all will work as usual. Cell padding, cell spacing will be same way. Just what will not come? Caption will not come. T head will be in the beginning. Then T foot you can add. T body you can add. T body we can add. Okay, T head, T body, T foot. Sequence how it will be, we will understand. Okay, T head. Under the T head, TR will come. You will add the TR here. TR. You will add the TH here. Under TH, serial number you add. TH. Book name. Next TH. book price, next th, book quantity, next th, publisher. This become the heading. This become the headings. Okay, now same tr you copy from here and paste under the t put also. Same tr, copy and paste under the t put also. Same tr, copy and paste under the t put also. In t head, tr we have bg color is a gray color, and in the t put, tr we have bg color equal to orange color, or maybe upper portion keep pink, header and footer keep as a orange, or gray is also fine. Gray is also okay. Okay, hope written. Now check the file. Where is the header? Where is the footer? First header or footer. Header is a pink color and footer is a gray color. So once we run it, we'll come to know where will be the header and where is the footer. First is header and then is the footer, right? Now when we add the data in that, let's go for the T body. Under the T body, see sequence is T head, T body, T foot. While writing, I have written little different, T body in the last. So once we run the page, you will come to know, okay, even you have written the last also, when it executing, it will come in the middle only. Okay, sequence if we see, first we have written called T head, then we have T foot, and then we have T body. The sequence is not like this. Sequence will be head, body, and then footer. Okay, purposefully we have written body in the last, so that once we run the page, where the output will come, where is the place of the T body. Now write a TR inside. Under the TR, write the TD. Call 01. Name. HTML basic. Okay, next price. quantity, 5 units. Next, after that, publisher, HTML then. Save the file. Run the page, see where is the place of body, T body. After running, we'll come to know where will be the place of T body. You should say after running the page, what is the sequence of T foot, T body, and T head. In chat, reply will be okay. Sequence is first is T head, then T body. After that, T foot. Is the sequence, no? T head pink color, T foot gray color in the last. T body is a white color. That by default it will come in the middle. If you write in the wrong position also, once the page will run, the T body will take the place of the middle after header and before footer. Okay, hope working. Let's add some more TR. First TR, add one more TR. To CSS basic, price 300, 200, 8 units. Two users we added, two books, right? So it is clear T body will come in the middle. Now for table you can apply some width. Apply the width in percentage. Suppose if you keep here for 80%, so it will take the 80% of current screen. It will take the 80% of current screen. Okay, 80% of current screen. 80% of my screen, 80% of your screen, 80% of every screen, wherever you run it. The T head you have written in the beginning, it is coming in the center. We can keep align left. for T head. On TR level, we can write align. On TR level, we can write align left. Okay, in the footer also you can keep align left. TR level. Align equal to left. Align equal to left. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Align left is coming, both the places. So this look better now. You can copy the same TR and paste 3-4 times. So there will be more data and it will look much better. Okay, so hope we added some more TR. Okay, so look like this. We'll leave this file now. In this, border remains same, height width remains same, call span, row span, everything remains same. Extra what is added? T head, T body, and another one is called as a T foot. Okay, and what is removed from here? One called as a caption. Caption, suppose if I add here, table align in center. If I add the caption here, what will happen is, let me add here for book list. Book list. Okay. Book list I added here. Now where this book list should come? It should come in center if it is follow the table. It's coming where? Under the center only. Coming under the center. But T head, T body, this caption will not allow. Caption is not part of this. Let me write the H1 once. Okay, it is coming here, but in Bootstrap it will get rejected. This will not come here. Caption will not allow there. Okay, so let it be, no problem. But we'll remember once we come in Bootstrap, there if you follow the table, this one caption will go outside. It will not be inside the table. Okay, next after that, our next step is how to divide the page into multiple blocks. Like HTML body remains same, but according to need, we can break into multiple sections. So for that, we will come to the developer guide once, and in developer guide, we'll make a small note. Right here, how to divide HTML body into multiple blocks. How to divide HTML body into multiple blocks. How to divide HTML body into multiple blocks. Okay, so for that, we have a tag called frame set plus frame. One. Another option we have iframe also. Another option we have HTML division plus CSS. HTML plus CSS. Okay, from HTML we have a tag called div tag. You can take many tags are there. Just for example, we add a div plus CSS. This all will help us to divide the page into multiple blocks. This multiple block can be horizontal, can be vertical, can be combination of horizontal and vertical both. Okay, written. So now, how this frame set is going to work? Let me come to the paint. Suppose sometime we want to design a layout that look like this. Something like this. Only row wise. Sometime we want to divide a page that may look like this. Row wise and column wise both. Okay. Sometime you might see like this, or maybe requirement come like this. Layout can be anything. Design can be anything. Okay, so how many type of design? 3. Now question for this is how to divide a HTML page into multiple blocks like this. How to design a different type of layout. Okay. Little old technique, but very good concept. Frame set. Okay. Another option we have called iframe. Iframe will not look like this. Iframe will look like this. Iframe will open a pop-up window like this. Once you click somewhere, pop-up window will open. In Facebook, you see if you click on someone photo, pop-up window will open. It's called a light box. Okay, that is called iframe. Okay, or in some other website, you will see Facebook like, Twitter like, how many tweets. That is called what? iframe. Okay, in some website, you will see, suppose the Procto is there, one website, medicine, online shop. If you go to the doctor website, like suppose the hospital have their own website, in the website appointment booking will be there. Appointment booking option will come from other website. Booking will happen from other website on other website. Like your website is XYZ, and in that feature will come from the ABC. Okay, so feature of ABC you are bringing under the XYZ, right? How? Through the feature called iframe. Okay, so that is also we have written. We'll create example. Second feature we have using the frame set we can do. So iframe will help you to call a page from other website. Suppose in a website there is a login page. Login page you want to call in your website. That will happen through the iframe. Many websites you will see they will give the option login using Facebook. Once you click on login using Facebook, from Facebook login page will appear. But you are in which website? Other website. Login page will come from where? Facebook. Or maybe pop-up window will open there only, and it will ask enter your email ID password, but that page will come from the Facebook. Okay, so that's called what? iframe. It's called iframe. Now frame set, what is that? One page you are creating in your page, your particular page you can divide into multiple blocks, and in each block you call the different pages, but within the server, not out of the server. Frame set will work within the server. iframe will work out of the server. Last option, division plus CSS. You can make within the server also, and you can call from out of the server also, everywhere. Okay. iframe is not responsive. Frame set is not responsive. The last option, division plus CSS, is the responsive. It will work in all the devices. Okay. So we will create some 2-3 type of design. You will come to know automatically. So this kind of design we are going to create some kind of basic like this or something different also using the feature called this one. This feature called a frame set. Okay. So that feature we will not mix all together. HTML let it be separate. Create another folder called frame set. Create a folder. Give the folder name called FRAMESCT frame set. Frame set example is here. Frame set example. Okay. We can take some water. Okay, so hope folder is ready. Come inside that folder, create a file, give a file called example1.html, example1.html, under which folder? Remset example, example1.html. Example1.html. In this file, this is going to the main page. See, if you look into the photo, first photo, we have total 3 blocks. In each block, you will be calling a different pages. Okay, so example 1 we created, that becomes a main page. Now, main page will divide into 3 blocks. Now, for each block, we have to create the different file. So, we'll create one file, header for the top section, footer for the last section, welcome for the middle section. And after that, we'll come to the example 1 and we'll combine all 3 together. Then, header on the top, footer in the last, and welcome in middle. Like module wise, 3 module you create separate, and under the 4th module combine all 3. Okay, so come. So example is ready. Next, after that, you create the file called header, header.html. Create one more file, footer.html. Next file, welcome.html. Create 3 files, header, footer, and welcome. Okay, hope ready. So first we'll start from the header file, HTML start, follow the body tag. For body tag, write the BG color, pink. BG color is a pink. Keep inside one p tag, align in the center. This is from header file. This is from header file. Okay, so header is ready. Next, right call welcome or footer. You can go inside the footer. Give the BG color as a which color? Green color. This is from footer, but in green, no problem. Let it be. This is from footer. Ready? This is from footer. Next, after that, header file is also ready and footer file is also ready. Next, you will work on the welcome file. In welcome file, don't write any BG color. Under the H1, H1, welcome home. Okay, three files are ready. Header, footer, and welcome. All three files will work individual also. In this file, whatever you have written, you can run individual, it will work. But we wanted this, all three files should come here under the example one. Example one will be the combination of three files. Now two tag we have. One tag we have called frame set and another tag we have called a frame. Frame set and frame. Okay. Using frame set, you are going to divide into multiple blocks. And using frame, under each block, you are going to call the different pages. Okay. How that will work? Come to this file. HTML you will open, but you will not write the body here. On behalf of body, frame set is going to come. FRAMESCT. Frame set open, frame set close. Okay. Frame set open, frame set close. Right, frame set open, frame set close. Now if you look into this photo, It is row wise dividing or column wise dividing? Or row wise? Row wise, okay. Row represent the height. Total height divided into 3 rows. First row 10%, second row 80%, last row 10%. Okay. When we say here, if you look at this point, this how it is dividing. Column wise, 2 column is here. Okay, so that concept we have already in the mind. Now we will go here, and for frame set, we will call a property called ROWS, rows. Rows. Once you write rows, ROWS, it will have a calculation of 100%. Total height. Row is going to represent the height, and it will be considering total height as a 100% of the height. 800 pixel, 900 pixel, 1000 pixel. Is not going to consider in the pixel. It's going to consider the how percentage. Okay. Next, in that, we will be writing here. Okay, you will be writing here. As per the photo, the first row is little less. Last row is little more height. Middle one is the biggest height. Okay, so that way even we will call here. Out of 100%, 10% will give to the first row, comma, comma. Double quote will open one time, close only one time. 10%. Okay. After 10%, what we have next? After 10%, 80% is remaining. 60% will give to the, or 70 will give here. 70% will give here. Now 70 plus 10, 80. Remaining is 20. 20% will give here. So the first row will be less height. Middle row will have lot of height. Last row will have double of first. Last row will be the double of first. Okay. Now in the first 10%, which color will come? Pink, because we are going to call the header. Middle 70% home, no color. Last 20% footer, green, right? So go here. Now using frame set, you divided the page into 3 rows. Now inside the each row, we have to call a different file through this tag. FRAME, frame SRC. Under the SRC, you have to give the name of the file that you want to call. So which file you want to call here? Header.html. The next we have, that is called as a welcome. Last we have, that is called as a header, welcome and footer. Right, save the file, run once. Dividing into 3 rows. Just like this. Hope it works for everyone. Now between each frame, you have a border. You can see in the browser, the line is coming between two blocks. This line. Talking about this line. Correct. That line we can remove from here. There will not be any option of resize. That is called border. BORDER. Border equal to this one. Call as a 0. Border equal to 0. Border equal to 0. Next, after that, you can see you have no any line at all. Page is complete, clean. So this happened. We divided the page into multiple blocks. 3 blocks are there right now. It can be multiple blocks. Here error anyone or working? Let me know if any error. They will find it.
Yes, sir. I have facing one error, sir.
Which error? If you have error, look at this
That
line.
green line, that footer is not coming in.
Footer is not coming. Here is the problem. Rows equal to double quote open and close in the last. Compare only this line. This line has a possibility of mistake.
So still, it's like only. It's coming like only. Still, footer is not coming.
Send this HTML to HTML in chat. I will guide you. HTML to HTML. Send in the chat.
Sir, now it's coming, sir, because I missed one comma, sir, in between 17 and 20. Now it's coming, sir.
Okay, cool. So this file is ready. In that explanation wise, if you ask, first we have created the 3 submodule: header, footer, and menu. Header, footer, and welcome. After that, we created a main file, example one. Under example one, we imported all 3, and finally, it is giving the combination of all 3. Error or no error? Working? Error? Let me know. I'm here only. I will help you. Commit the error. Set the string now. Go to the code, header file. What you written the string? Align equal to CENEER. Here, welcome home also have a set point. Okay, so go next. Next, we'll create another file to create a column wise as well as row wise combination. This is only row wise combination. Next example we'll create where row and column both will come. So next file will be example2.html. Example2.html in same folder. Example2.html in the same folder. Start from HTML, follow the body tag, not body tag, frame set tag. Okay, in this frame set, first create as a row wise. Rows equal to first row 10%, 10% sign is required. Second row 70%, comma, third row 20%. Border 0, as you have written the last file, right here border 0. Now follow inside again. Print src .html. Welcome. Welcome will not add here. First we'll add footer. Okay, so hope done till here. So first 10% is occupied, last 20% is also occupied. Middle 70% is pending. In 70%, we are going to call the nested frame set. Already you are inside the frame set. You will write again. Frame set open close. So what is the area of inner level frame set? Height will be 70% and width will be 100%. Width is total width. We have not done anything on the width. So width will be total width, but height will be top 10% gone to header, last 20% gone to the footer. Remaining 70% is header. That 70% will be useful for the middle section. Okay. Now in middle section, we are going to make 2 or 3 columns, maybe 3 columns. Right, first. Rows, not rows, calls. Calls equal to first column 20%, second column 60%, last column 20%. 60, 20, 60. Right, so is a calculation of total 100%. Okay. Okay, now ready till here. Next, after that, we have to create one file. Suppose right here, frame src equal to left.html. Next, frame src equal to welcome.html. Next, frame src equal to right.html. Left, right, center. 3 sections we have. In that we call the okay. Check now. Header, footer, left and right. In that first left, first left and right is not exist. Middle one is exist, so middle will come. Left, right will say page not found. We have to create the files. Okay, hope ready. So we have to create 2 files. One is called left.html. Something like this only, no? First left not found, right not found, middle one is coming. So one file we can create left.html, left.html. HTML you can start and follow the body tag. For example, too, you can say yes, no, anyone have problem? This page look like this?
Yes, sir.
No problem, right? Okay. So left will have no any color. Just write here H2 today updates. Use a HR tag, color equal to orange, size equal to 2. So one horizontal line will come beginning to last in the left block. You will use a tag called MARQUAA. Marquee tag. This marquee tag is to scroll the text, maybe text, image, photo, anything, whichever you want to move. Okay, maybe low speed, high speed. Okay, with multiple options are there, multiple properties are there. So this is especially for scroll the content, auto scroll. Automatically it will start scrolling. Okay, in that we have to write here direction. Scrolling will happen, but where to where. So there is a property called direction equal to bottom, not bottom, down, down. Up down is the direction. Up means it will go up, down means it will go down. Paragraph wise you can add here. Ready? Check now. Refresh the example to. In the left side, you will see the text are moving automatically. We can set some height for this. In how much area the text has to move. Height equal to somewhere 300 you can give. 300, 350 according to your screen height. right? So what is happening? Now we can create one more file. What should be the file name? Write.html. Yeah, create the next file, write.html. Okay, next after that, create the next file, write.html. Write.html. In that, the write.html will take the copy of left. You can take the copy of left and add there. Take the copy of left and add there. In which file? Right. Take the copy of left file and paste into the write.html. Copy of left.html and add under the write.html. In write.html, you can change here. Upcoming events. Okay. Color as a blue color. Direction equal to up. Direction equal to up. Color is a blue, size 2, direction is a up, and then direction is up, and then behavior. Behavior is nothing but behavior. Spelling you can check. Behavior. Behavior equal to alternate. Behavior equal to alternate. Alternate behavior will present not hiding the complete content. It will go up, touch the border, again come down. Touch the border, go up, like it will be keep walking inside only. It will not be disappear completely. The content will be keep moving inside, up, down, up, down. It will not go completely. Behavior, behavior alternate. Behavior is a alternate. Happening. Behavior alternate is something like this. It will go touch and come down. Okay, behavior alternate. Okay, ready? Next, based on this, I will send you some photos. You have already URL, no, yesterday. In that, which set number you can do, I will guide you now. Set number, I guess from there, some people have tried it. It's helpful, please try that. LMS. In LMS, HTML assignment only. In HTML assignment, set number, which one? Set number. Set number 6. HTML assignment set number 6. Frame set assignment. You can try that. Okay. Similar, dividing the 39, I'm sorry, 39, I'm saying 25%, 75% header. Maybe some places there is a 2 block on the top. Can you see that? In that assignment number set will go. We have created only one header, but in that there is a 2. One is a blue, another one is orange. So we have given directly 10%. You have to 3 blocks we have made. You have to make 4 blocks, maybe 8%, 10%, 60%, and remaining in the last. And each block we call the pages. You can try it. You can do. I hope. Set number 6, HTML assignment set number 6. Okay. Tomorrow we will log in half an hour late. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, and Friday also. Okay, half an hour late in the sense what time? 12 o'clock. I have 3 days assignment is there. Assignment in the